Come little children, let we introduce with colors. Red, red color. Red flower, red color, red flower. Yellow, yellow fruits. Yellow, yellow color, yellow fruits. Blue, blue flower. Blue color, blue flower. Once again, red color, red flower. Yellow color, yellow fruit. Blue color, blue flower. Again, red color, red flower. Yellow color, yellow fruits. Blue color and blue flower. Dear students, let's we introduce with the concept of small and big. Let's start. Small dog, small dog, and big dog, big dog. Small dog, big dog. Small dog, big dog. Big God, small God. Big God, small God. Big God, small God. Small cat and big cat. Small cat, big cat. Small cat, big cat. Once again, small dog, small dog, and big dog. Small dog and big dog. Big God, small God. Big God, small God. Small cat, big cat. Small cat, big cat.